private driver, and of course, elephants! Yay! India, Jaipur! And yes, a camel in the middle of more elephants! You have to love the elephants. Hey, this one's getting a little drunk here. Alright. Coming up to Jaipur. Mwah. Thank you. I love India. This place is amazing. Truly amazing. Come to India. Make sure you eat veg, eat vegetarian, and enjoy and be. And honk your horn. Here it's okay to honk. They like you to honk. You can see the signs that say honk please